So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all some luxury bootleg shorts. Hey, what's up, fam? Today we back in the stew with another video. Y'all kinda got a glimpse in the thumbnail, so I'm not gonna waste too much time. If you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it because it definitely helps the algorithm. Subscribe while you're down there. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the homies at Sworn Crooks hit me up to send me some bootleg shorts, and I'm like, yo, let me go ahead and check them out for y'all. 4 different shorts to show off, and I'm gonna show these in no particular order. Honestly, I did choose these, so it's a little bit more my style. I'm gonna pull a random one out. We're gonna go with these right here. These are the bootleg Dior shorts. These shits look clean, bro. Nobody need to spend $2,000 on some shorts that you probably gonna want to freak for one Instagram outfit picture. $40–50. Use my promo code and use SET. These will be linked in the description for y'all, but these are the Dior inspired shorts. I love the tone on these shorts. It's almost like a creamish gray. You can't really notice it on this camera. Then it also has that Dior in the navy with the baby blue behind it. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for y'all. Definitely fucking with these. Just look at the graphic on it. You do got 2 pockets obviously on the side. No back pockets on these, but it is what it is. Just some cool basketball shorts. Throw on some nice kicks with it and you good for the day. Go to a park, you feel me? You could spill something on these. You ain't gonna be too stressed. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, these are gonna be linked in the description. I did get these in a size large, so they fit me a little bit wider. You can always cuff the waistband if you want them a little bit shorter. Yeah, man, these shits go hard. Like, little clean vibe for the summertime. Solid pair of shorts. Let me know if y'all fucking with these. Sticking on the designer vibes, we do have another pair of shorts in here. These are the Chanel colorway. Can't even really see it. It's almost like these gradient monotone Chanel logos all over this Tiffany blue short. It's a perfect color for summer. Definitely feeling these. I'm gonna try these on for y'all as well. That Tiffany blue, cold, bro. Just like the last pair of shorts, these are size large, so they fit me a little bit looser, which is something I was going for because I know that at the same time I can shrink these a little bit, or I could simply flip the waistband. That shit works like a charm. They went from being longer to being a shorter pair of short instantly as soon as you flip it. They got deep little pockets, you feel me? No zip, so you do gotta be careful, but they are mesh shorts, so you should expect that. I like these because it's a clean everyday fit. You cannot sleep on these. The bootleg short vibe is actually something that's really popular these days too. Next we got one of my favorites, and I low-key peeped that they added some more Pokemon inspired shorts. These Gengar shorts are fire. These shorts have a cream base with that Gengar on one leg, and then the flame also wraps around to the back. I feel like these are so fire, bro. They also added some Lugia ones and some other Pokemon shorts, so hey, check them out, bro. Gotta try these on. These shits is a must cop. Maybe just because I fuck with Pokemon. Hey, that's all me. Low-key, I'm feeling how the size medium is fitting. I feel like it's a little bit shorter by nature. It's not really too much tighter along the waist, so I should have gone with a size medium, but I'm not tripping. You feel me? Now I know for future videos. These Gengar shorts, I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, fire, bro. For like an everyday, like, just you good to go. These shits is clean. We got one more pair of shorts, and it might low-key be my favorite or second favorite. It's these LV bootleg camo shorts. These are beautiful. Definitely got to get some fits going with these. I'm gonna swap to this camera real quick. It has these gradient LV logos all throughout the shorts with like this camo behind it. I feel like out of the bootleg shorts, both of these shorts right here speak for themselves. You got the Dior bootleg and you also have that LV print. Beautiful shorts if you ask me. They feel comfortable. It's almost a breathable summer pair of shorts that you can look into. As far as bootleg shorts go, Sworn Crooks has it covered, bro. You got the LV print bootleg short, the Dior joints, beautiful, the Tiffany Chanel shorts, beautiful, and we got the Gengar shorts. They also have a bunch of other Pokemon shorts on their website. My promo code is gonna be in the description alongside these 4 pair of shorts that I got. They do have more variety. These are just my favorites, and if I'm being quite honest, these are about to be in my rotation heavy. Like, I can't wait to pull off some fits with these, and I'm pretty sure people are gonna be asking where I got these from. The answer is gonna be Sworn Crooks. Low key, let me know in the comments which is your favorite or how you would rank these. Honestly, I'm still fucking with these two the most. I feel like both of these shorts have the most wearability and shock factor simply because it is two very high name brands, and people gonna be like, yo, where you got them shorts from? The answer is gonna be Sworn Crooks. I'm trying to tell y'all, fire pair of shorts. But that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know what y'all would like to see on the channel, and hey, we gonna keep it smoking. Go check out the vlog. I did post that yesterday or 2 days ago at this point. I know it's a little late, but it's better late than never. I actually had a lot of fun editing and recording that vlog, so make sure y'all do me the favor and check it out. But with all that being said, check out Sworn Crooks at the top of the description. Use my promo code for a little discount. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.